Welcome to Learning Spanish for Kids Spanish lesson on fall fruits, Frutas de Otono. Let's get started. Apple es manzana. Pear es pera. If you're watching this video, hit the like button or you can subscribe. You can subscribe. Cranberry es arándanos agrio. Dates es fechas. If you're watching this video, hit the like button or you can subscribe. You can subscribe. Persimmons es khakis. Grapes es uvas. What you learned today: apples es manzana, pear es pera, cranberry es arandano agrio, dates es fechas, persimmons es khakis, grapes es uvas. Thank you for watching Learning Spanish for Kids for our Fall Fruits, Frutas de Otoño Spanish lesson. Until next time, adios.